Day 5. Today, we will not study anything, said the professor with a smile. All the students looked at each other in surprise and confusion. You must be tired from carrying the bags of tomatoes for the past 2 days, he said, so today, tea and coffee are on me. At that moment, the college peon entered the lecture hall carrying 2 large jugs of hot tea and coffee, along with a variety of cups, plastic, glass, some plain and simple, and others expensive, beautiful, and delicate. The professor instructed, help yourselves to the tea and coffee. When everyone had a cup in hand, the professor asked, did you notice something? All the fancy, beautiful cups were quickly picked up, while the plain and simple ones were left behind. What does that mean, sir? Asked a student. The professor smiled and said, it's quite natural that you choose the best for yourselves. But this desire is the root cause of many of your problems and mental stress. The students were stunned. But sir, one said, choosing good things shows refined taste. How can that cause problems? The professor explained warmly. Remember, what truly mattered was the tea or coffee you wanted to drink, not the cup itself. Yet you consciously reached for the better cups, and started glancing at others' cups to compare. My dear students, remember, true happiness springs from within, not from external luxuries. A grand house, expensive cars, servants at your command, and glittering wealth, these are all like fancy cups. If the coffee inside is bitter, will you still enjoy it? The real value lies in life itself, in your health and your character. The external luxuries are like fragile glass cups, one small hit, and they can crack or shatter. So never degrade yourself running after the glitter of the world. Instead, enhance the true essence of your life. If you focus only on the cups, you will miss the joy of the coffee, the real taste of life. Therefore, don't burden your mind with the cups. Focus on enjoying the coffee.